Welcome back to Public Friction. What you're about to see is a textbook example of actions meeting consequences. A peaceful demonstration is taking place on a public sidewalk, a basic constitutional right. But things take a sudden turn when a delivery driver decides he doesn't agree with the First Amendment and lashes out at a peaceful citizen before fleeing the scene. We're about to find out exactly what happens when entitlement tries to outrun accountability.
Yo, what up, what up, what up? So one of these people that was in the back just got punched by somebody that came.
Gonna share with those guys. Close the door. Did he get it delivered or did he go in there? No.
From what pizzas?
He's gonna show us the video.
Hey, that food's Armenian too, bro. Fuck that food. Does it have some?
Right now.
Oh shit.
And he sucks me again. The phone goes flying.
What?
Right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hell no.
I think they want to talk to you. What the hell?
To give you some essential context, this situation began during a lawful public demonstration outside a local property management office. The people inside that office had ordered food, and when this specific delivery driver arrived, he chose to engage with the citizens exercising their rights on the sidewalk. Following a brief verbal exchange, the driver escalated the situation by making unprovoked physical contact with a demonstrator. He then immediately retreated to his vehicle and fled back to his store, entirely unaware that his actions had been documented.
Some guy in a blue Prius and he took off. Now we're gonna have to go to Pizza Hut and pay them a visit. This one just took off. ¿Ah? Sí, nada más le pegó a uno de los que estaban allá atrás. Era, yeah, the Pizza Hut.
Hay que reportar a la compañía.
Is this the guy that punched him?
No, he's back there. He's handing like a little bitch. Hey, make me my pizza, mother. Yeah, try to fucking hit me. Try to fucking hit me.
You think it's cool to go up to somebody and just sock him in the face?
Don't worry, I'm trying. Try to fucking hit me. Step outside. Protecting that piece of shit. This business.
Get out of here, you are not allowed.
Hey, can I
Don't
come
touch
back there and
me.
make my
Don't
own
touch
pizza?
me. You are
touch me?
I'm not touching you. Get
Touch
out.
me?
Get out.
Touch me. Hey,
Get
touch
out.
Yo.
Get out.
Hey, piece of shit.
Get out of here. Hello.
Hey, piece of shit. Yeah, go outside.
The delivery driver, realizing his unacceptable behavior was caught on camera, retreats inside his workplace. Instead of taking ownership of his actions, the staff decides to play the victim card, calling law enforcement on the very people their employee just wronged. It's a stunning display of hypocrisy. They rely on a false alarm to the authorities, hoping a uniform will shield them from a basic reality check. But the truth has a funny way of coming to light when the cameras are rolling.
Where is he? I thought he was coming outside.
No, they're trying. They're calling us out to fight.
We gotta talk. We gotta talk about what you did.
What did I do?
Yeah, what did you do?
You know what you did. You know what you did.
What you did? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Really? Really? I thought you were gonna step outside right now.
Yeah.
He's right there. He's making that pizza.
Why did you punch my friend?
There's video.
We have the video. We have the video. He defended
No.
himself.
How?
He punched him.
He ran up to him and punched him.
Hey, come over here, you coward. Come over here. Come over here. He's trying to punch me right now too, across the counter.
Yeah? Both of them. You got it on camera?
I got it. He tried to touch me right now, tried to pull me out of the business.
We should have came together. That way we would have got it on camera.
I got that on camera.
¿Puedes traer el jugo?
Fuck that food.
Hey, press charges. Para que sube, para que tenga.
Yeah, for real, fool.
Sube.
You have to press charges, bro. That's the only way that they're gonna learn. And the only reason why I don't go back inside is because they already asked me to leave, and that's how I, as soon as somebody asks you to leave, you gotta leave. So he can't use that as an excuse.
Yeah, I hear it. Yeah, you hear it. He punched my friend. We got it on video. You call the cops, they're gonna arrest him. Watch. Just watch. Just watch when they come. Watch.
Alex.
You're a coward. You're a coward. Why did you punch him, huh? Nobody injured. It's all on video. You call the cops. You keep on personal pen charges. Watch what's gonna happen. Cop caller.
Piece of shit. Bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's here.
He was already trying to hit him too. Who was he trying to hit?
He tried to hit
hit
him,
you?
Both of them.
but then when I came inside,
Car and tried to smash it on my head.
when I came in with the camera, he came into the front and tried to pull me out. And I was like, touch me, motherfucker.
As soon as I told him, I was like, hey, I want to speak to your manager. He was like,
And I got a witness too.
He already knew, bro. He already knew. I was like, hey,
The people that we were protesting decided to order pizza. And the delivery driver, which drives that blue Prius right there, decides to come out and punched one of the supporters out there. And that shit's not cool at all. He wasn't doing anything wrong. Just comes and punches him. That shit ain't cool at all. The victim is right there in the blue shirt, man, with the hat. He's the victim. We were outside protesting outside of a business over there, and the pizza driver from Pizza Hut just decides to come and punch him in the face. He has footage of it, actually. Yeah. That's why we're here.
What's the address?
4021 West Burbank. Ain't nobody called the cops. Pizza Hut called the cops.
For this car, I walk backwards. And he starts coming towards me.
He's in public, man. It's a First Amendment right. He has no reason.
I totally get that.
He starts coming towards me. I walk back. I keep walking back. He struck me again.
What did he strike you with?
His hand. And then he strikes me again. My phone goes flying.
Where the first time you said he struck you?
I went pushing you back. He tried stepping on me so I could fall backwards. And that way he struck me.
So what's gonna happen?
And then you're desirous, sir? You're desirous of signing system that's for
I want to press charges on him. I want him arrested.
PPA.
That's what I'm asking you. You're desirous of signing the form?
P-
I'm trying to talk to you down there. Why don't you walk over?
Hey, let me see the video, bro. He's just right there recording. This guy gets out of his car.
Well, either way, my officers are working on it, seeing if we have any witnesses there.
You can talk to the sign guy. The sign guy's on our side.
He's outside of the clinic.
Yeah, he's taking care of the food truck right now.
He's wearing black. He's working on the truck.
He's working on the truck?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, sign it.
You want him under arrest?
Yes.
Yes.
He's the
No,
one
yeah.
that is. I never called the cops.
It's a PPA, bro. So basically, they didn't see it happen, and you're placing him under arrest.
You're the one pressing charges, right? Not us.
Yeah. He doesn't know. Yeah.
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 This is,
Yeah.
So I'll explain all of it to you so it's really good. So this is a citizen's arrest from the Burbank Police Department.
it's going to say you, as a private person, are arresting this person for a certain violation that was committed in your presence, right? At this certain date and time and at this certain location, and you want the police officers to book this person at the jail, right?
Yeah.
I can fill out the rest for you. I just need you to sign right here, okay?
There's gonna be a sign and release.
I don't know. I don't know if he has any warrants. I don't know if he has no bail. I don't know what he has.
It's gonna be a sign and release.
It's usually
It is a misdemeanor.
it's usually what it is.
Crime. That's why
You guys don't want to arrest him, but Even though
Shit,
it's
shit.
you guys move away, please.
Oh, you're putting him in the
Wait, so no handcuffs?
No handcuffs.
No handcuffs? Damn.
They're gonna search him.
Damn.
Put hands on nobody. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Fuck you.
Woo!
Told you.
You don't put hands on people.
You don't put your hands on people.
Can't be putting your hands on nobody. You wouldn't like it. Call the cops on yourself, Tonto.
You shot yourself in the foot.
You assaulted somebody and then you called the cops.
Thank you.
You guys did the right thing.
Yes.
Thank you. Some justice.
Sick. So he's getting booked in, but it is a misdemeanor, so he's gonna get cited and released at the station. That's what I wanted to see. I was really hoping they wouldn't just do it right here, you know, cited and released. They're actually taking him down to the station, booking him, running his fingerprints, all that. They're gonna run his fingerprints and everything.
This is why transparency is non-negotiable. The officers review the irrefutable video evidence and facilitate the arrest. The very same individual who thought he could put his hands on someone to silence a lawful protest and then use the police as his personal security ends up taking a ride in the back of a cruiser. It's a hard lesson in accountability. If you support exposing the friction between public entitlement and civil rights, hit that subscribe button. I'm Public Friction. Remember, rights not exercised are rights lost. I'll see you on the next one.